ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Working President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Ronnie V Lingdo ulapan pau bakum ka party ka ai ka Kyrshan bapura ya ka Jingïakhih ka Voice of the People Party bandawa na ka sarkar bantung biang ya ki officer ki balasya weng na ka Lokayukta. Habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor uba Ronnie V Lingdo ulapan pau ba ka party ka ai ka Kyrshan ya ka VPP ka balayakhi ha ka bayadei bat ki mat ki bakta ya ki pait ba jong ka jella.
I'd like to remind you, the Lokayukta was set up during the Congress WA government to ensure that there is transparency, there is the rule of law, and ensure that people can air their grievances to the Lokayukta. We implemented, we ensure that we have the Lokayukta.
No, what about the protest of the VP? Do you support it?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah, we support it. If there's any issue concerning the interests of the state, we will always be with any party or any group that fights for justice. Nyaya. We are talking about justice here. Nyayatra, Bharat Joro Nyayatra. We yet to get the exact reason why they were removed. You will have to find out why they were removed, because even members of the Lokayukta are human beings after all. Maybe they must have done something. We'll find out. And if there was no reason, if for no reason they were removed, then we will also insist that they be reinstated. But we have to find out.